Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to get WhatsApp on your PC. So, let's dive right in. First, download the WhatsApp desktop application. To do this, head to the Microsoft Store and search for WhatsApp. Once you find it, click on the Install option. You can also download and install it from your web browser. It's available for both Windows and Mac OS. After installation, open the WhatsApp app. Now, click on the Get Started button, and you'll see a QR code on the right side of the screen. Now, take your smartphone with WhatsApp installed. If you're using an Android device, tap the Menu button in the top right corner, then select Link Devices. Choose Link a Device in the next window. Point your smartphone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. In a moment, the QR code will be scanned, and you'll be logged into WhatsApp on PC. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.